Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where apps are not downloading and installing on the Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. Now, a simple command can help you fix this. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command WS reset, which is short for Windows Store reset. Hit enter or click on OK. It will need a few seconds to reload Microsoft Store because it's resetting the seconds, and once it does, it will reset all the settings and clear the cache. Now this will allow you to download all of these apps easily. The second solution is a PowerShell command to re-register the Microsoft Store. I'll share this command in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will run this command and reset the Microsoft Store. I mean, re-register the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.